Ate Sally, gusto sana namin bumili ng bahay next year. Ano po ba ang dapat namin ihanda as early as now? That's a good question dahil napakarami nagtatanong din sa akin nito. And maganda na maaga pa lang nagpaplano na kayo kasi buying a home takes preparation. There are 3 important things na dapat ninyong paghandaan bago kayo mag-apply ng mortgage. Number 1 is income. Kailangan may stable employment or consistent income kayo. Lenders want to see na tuloy-tuloy ang work ninyo for at least a year. Kung self-employed ka naman, dapat maayos ang mga tax documents at income proof mo for 2 years. Ang tip ko, huwag lumipat ng trabaho, lalo na kung hindi related sa current job mo close to your mortgage application, kung hindi naman kailangan. Number 2, credit. Build and protect your credit score. You aim for at least 680 para makakuha ng best rates. Make sure na on time ang payment sa mga credit cards, car loans, or any debts. Ang tip ko, try to keep your balance below 30% of your credit limit. Nakakatulong ito mag-improve ng score. Next is down payment. You have to save early. Kailangan mo ng at least 5% ng purchase price para sa down payment for homes under 500,000. So ayan, income, credit, and down payment. Kung maayos mo itong 3 bagay na ito before you apply, mas mataas ang chance mo na ma-approve at makuha ang best mortgage deal possible. Kung gusto mong malaman kung ready ka na for home ownership next year, reach out. We can help you do a free mortgage readiness check.